for months, people have been asking me to do memorial jackets, and I honestly been saying no. Well, I didn't say no. I was just saying, well, not at this time. I'm not taking these kind of type of orders. I'm only taking pets because I felt more comfortable with doing the pets. Now, with doing memorial, those are more personal. Not saying that the dogs ain't more personal or the cats or whatever, because our fur babies is our fur babies. They're just like family too. But when I'm doing an actual person, that's when it comes emotional. That's when it comes, this is my loved one and I need, dear to somebody's heart. And I didn't want to mess up on anything. Now, I did do memorial jackets before, and I stepped away from it for about 2 years. So now I think I'm ready to start taking memorial orders. Now, I do have a jacket coming in tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be here tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be here tomorrow. I'm going to be running a sample on. Now, it's going to be a sample only. A sample only. Now, if it comes out how I imagine it come out, then I'm going to start taking memorial orders, because I know a lot of y'all just been messaging me. Y'all been harassing me a little bit. Ain't a little bit. But if it comes out good, I am going to start taking memorial jackets and things like that. But if it don't, we just gonna have to run away. But no, seriously. But I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna take y'all on this journey to me. And if it comes out right and y'all like it, this may be a new chapter for me with embroidering. So it's currently the next day, and the jacket finally came, y'all, which I already have it hooped. Now, before I start, let me tell y'all, I wasn't paid to do this, nor was I asked to do this, but I feel inside I was called to do this one. Now, over the past few months, I promise y'all, I've been getting so many messages of people asking me to do memorial jackets. And I said to myself, before I do someone else's, I wanted to do something from the heart. So I know you're wondering who I'm about to embroider, but before I tell you, I'm going to put down the names first. But let's cross our fingers, toes, legs, eyes, anything you can cross, because I'm using some gold thread. It'll be a tragic if it don't do the names all the way through, but I'm going to go ahead and start the thing. Tell how much I have left on this spool, because I already used some before. Can you see it? Because I already used some before, so hopefully I have enough. I tried to put my finger in there to see how much I got. I couldn't tell, so it'll be a tragic if it don't do the names all the way through. But so I won't actually be embroidering one person. It'll be two people. Now, these two people are Lola and King Scott, who are siblings, which is sister and brother. Now, before I start embroidering at their actual faces and stuff, I want to tell y'all the tragic story that happened. So let me get my phone and read it off, because I'm the type of person who don't be wanting to come up with rumors and y'all say, oh, Lala said this what happened. No, Lala didn't. I'm reading it off the thing. I don't want to make stuff up. You know what I'm saying? You know how words get switched up and it just get messy. So, but they from Alabama, just like me. I'm from Alabama. Okay, so Lola and King Scott. So Lola was 10, which is the girl, and King was 12. Now they was at this Turkey Creek. It's like I guess like a swim creek. They were swimming and things like that. According to the family members, the children were enjoying a day at the creek with their mom, whose name is Lolita, when a fun outing suddenly turned into a fight for survival. Now, they was in the water, and the powerful current, y'all know how sometimes the current just be strong, it unfortunately swept the children into deeper water. And they also had another brother that was in the water too. He also got swept, but the mom was able to save him, which his name is Brian. He was 14. So she was able to save him after they were struggling. She got him back to shore, to safety. And she tried to go and save the other two, which was King and Lola. But unfortunately, the current took them too far under where she couldn't save those two. Bystanders jumped in to help, and the Jefferson County Sheriff Deputy joined the resource effort. But despite everyone's efforts, the two younger siblings, which is Lola and King, could not be saved. Both children were pulled from the creek and rushed to the hospital, where they were later pronounced dead. So now she's left with one child. Now, it's already bad enough to hear a parent lose one child, but hear a parent to lose two kids at the very same time, and a sibling losing their brother and sister, like, it's beyond devastating. So in honor of Lola and King, I'll be embroidering them both on this jacket as a reminder of how precious life is and how important it is to show love while we still can. I literally had to sit down for this part because my feet is burning. I bought these shoes, and it's supposed to be cushion. I bought these shoes because when I started back embroidering, I knew I was going to be on my feet. And I've been on my feet like all day today. I sat down a couple of times, but I had to get right back up when the machine stopped. But y'all, I finished embroidering the kid's body, and so far, I couldn't be more happy with how it's turning out. Now, this part took longer than expected because I was also embroidering some custom orders on my other embroidery machine. Now comes the part where I have to do the faces. Now, this is when the emotion really settle in. And I want to make sure I get this part right, make sure I get all the details, especially in the faces. But yeah, so far it's coming out looking pretty good, but we still got the face, and I'll come back and show y'all the face when I'm finished. So I completed the jacket of Lola and King, and I wanted to show y'all everything that I put on it. Now right here, as y'all can see, it's the mom's hand. I think her name is Lisa. This is Lisa's hand holding Lola and King, which is her two babies. And I added a little quote. I'm going to take this jacket off so I can read the quote because I ain't going to be able to read it upside down. So I added a little quote under their hands as she's holding their hands. It says, "Even if the heavens fall and time forgets my name, I hold y'all hands and whisper, I find y'all in every story the universe dares to write." I just feel like this is just like top notch. I find y'all in every story the universe dares to write. I feel like that was a good quote to put under her hands and their hands. And on this side right here, let me put it back on so I can y'all can still see how it looks. I added her and Lola and King on this side, like she's hovering over them. This is them right here. I added them in like a grayish color. And then on the sleeves. Can't forget about the sleeves because I did add something on the sleeve, which is feathers from the wings falling, as y'all gonna see in a minute from the back. Now this is feather on each side. And here's the big picture, the back. Oh my God, the back. Now that's what we're here for, the back of the jacket. As y'all can see, I added my sweet angels underneath it, and I added a little quote too. Let me show y'all. This jacket came out so good. I promise y'all it did. Now, we got Lola and Scott King. As y'all can see, they both have halos over their head, and they're together hugging. Both got wings because they both had passed away at the same time. And underneath it, I put in gold my sweet angels. And in pink, I put "I miss you for the rest of my life" with a feather at the bottom. Y'all, this came out so good, bro. I'm telling y'all, it came out so good. Like the details in the clothes. Like, oh my God, the details in the hair. Now, she has braids in her hair. Now, the detail was just so good, y'all. I'm telling y'all, it came out so good. Added hearts and like some, designs in the back of like a universe type style. But yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. I'm so happy how it came out. I'm telling y'all, I'm happy how it came out. And this is what it looks like on. I'm going to turn around and give y'all a whole 360 of it. Hold on, let me fix myself. All right, now this is the front of it. Looks so good. Do have pockets. Looks so good. Then this is the side. Then this is what the back look like. It's so cute, y'all. It came out really, really good. This is the other side right here. Then this is the front. Now I just put these doves on here that I had from a few years ago that I found, and I just added those on there. And y'all, this is what look. I'm also working on another jacket, same type style jacket. Now this one is Nolan Wells. I don't know if y'all remember the story about the boat incident when he was out with his friends. He didn't make it back. But I'm working on something over here with him. I ain't ready to show y'all that. That's going to be a whole nother video. But I do have something over here with him as well. Now, if you'd like for me to create your custom jacket, it can be you, your husband, your loved one, your children, anybody, or even your pet. Just message me here on Facebook. If you want to send in your own jacket, you can do that as well. Or if you want me to purchase you one, you can also tell me and I'll purchase you one as well. So this is the final look once again. Then y'all want to stay tuned to see what the other one look like. Continue watching. Well, not continue watching, but stay tuned for the next video.